This is my honest review of the lyridz rechargeable nightlight with motion sensor, and let me quickly show you what's included in the box. Here's a quick user guide, a short USB-C cable, a couple of this metal plate that you will need to wall mount this nightlight. These nightlights have magnets at the back, so you will need those metal plates to mount on the wall so you can mount this nightlight wherever you want. And here's the nightlight. It is just as big as my hand. That's how small it is. And here's the motion sensor, and I like that it blends in well with the whole design. And right here is the dimmer switch that gives you 5 levels of brightness. And all you have to do is just keep on pressing it until you get the brightness that you prefer. And the brightness can go from 1 lumens to 50 lumens brightness, which is more than enough for a night lamp. And it only uses a night color of 2700 Kelvin, or what we usually know as soft white. And right above the dimmer are the light switches. The first one that you see there is for the flashlight, right at the bottom. And you can use this night lamp as a flashlight. You can take it out of the wall and then bring it with you and use it as a flashlight. Right in the middle are both the lamp and the flashlight. I like this mode because it lights up the floor and the surrounding area. And the third switch is just for the lamp. This mode is great if you want to light up a much bigger area or if you want to set it up on top of a desk. Now on the left side of the night lamp, you will find the USB port to charge this night lamp, and the on and off switch, and the auto switch or the motion sensor switch. Speaking of the motion sensor has a detection width of 130 degrees, and it can detect you as far as 16 feet. This night lamp is great for areas in your house that are a bit dark, or areas in your house that you just walk through, but you want to put some light on it without the hassle of installing a switch or permanent lighting. So guys, this is the lyridz rechargeable nightlight with motion sensor. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.